All right, it is time for a graduated bob haircut. You can see I'm taking my very first section, holding my fingers in a diagonal 45-degree angle, aiming my fingertips tight as it gets closer to the neck and away from the head as it gets higher towards the occipital bone. I want the hair at the occipital bone to be longer and the hair down by the neck to be shorter to build up that graduation. So I'm just taking A-line sections, working my way up the head, combing them down to the previous section, slightly lifting my fingers to start to build up that graduation. And as I get lower towards the neck, starting to take my fingers closer to the head to transition from the graduation to the actual bob outline that will be on the side of the hair. So you can see another A-line section, slightly lifting, and then right here as I get closer, my hands are actually touching my model's head because I want that line to be nice and tight as it starts to transition from the graduation to the one length bob on the side. So I'm going to continue working the graduation, or I should say the graduated bob here on the right side. Once I've completed that, then I will do the graduated bob on the left side. Alright, so now that we've completed cutting the graduation on the right side, not a whole lot to explain on this side because I'm going to do the exact same thing, but now it is time to take A-line sections on the left-hand side, building that graduation, a little bit longer at the occipital bone, shorter at the neck, slightly lifting to get that graduation going. Alright, so once we complete the graduation on the left side and the right side, of course we're already done with the right side, then we'll be close to wrapping up this haircut. Alright, so now it is time to chip in the desired outline that I'm looking for. So as you go to clean up the outline in the back, I like to take a more diagonal angle, basically from just behind the ear down to the center back of the neck. Now, it's whatever you prefer. If you want to round it, you want to make it straighter, this is the point where you're going to chip in the desired outline that you're looking for. So right here, I'm just taking my scissors, using the tips of my scissors, and just basically sketching in, chipping in that outline. so we've come to the end of a graduated haircut. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.